千秋画，宝水无弦万古情。
Here is Gondongwani, the famous Neo-Confucianism city. Here is the Red Soviet area, the power transformation capital. Here is the ecological granary, the town of Sesame Chicken. Hello, everyone. I'm Luo Yanping, an anchor of the Convergence Media Center from Chongren County. Today, I'm going to take you to Chongren. Known as Bashan County, Chongren County of Fuzhou City, Jiangxi Province, has been devoted to education and learning since ancient times with a prosperous literary atmosphere. In history, more than 170 scholars, especially Neo-Confucianism, from Chongren have taken an important position in the history of Chinese philosophy. The industry started earlier in the county, especially the mechanical and electrical manufacturing industry has seen considerable development, achieving the gorgeous transformation from manufacturing to intelligent. Chongren is rich in ecological resources, with magnificent and strange Taoist holy land Xiangshan and Gondong small Lushan mountain Luoshan. There is the small Three Gorges Shenlong Lake, a place with beautiful scenery in every corner. Besides, Yuanya Villa was awarded the National 4A level tourist attraction and the Provincial Forest Health Base. Tongxi Hot Spring was approved as the pilot construction unit of the National Forest Health Base. The living fossil of Chinese dance Xianhua ancient, Nua dance the dancing of 8 immortals, and the folk art treasures Xiangshan bench dragon, Taizhou twisty dragon, and so on. At the same time, Chongren is also a place of gastronomy. Chongren sesame chicken, an agricultural product with local characteristics in Chongren, is rich in 8 kinds of amino acids necessary for the human body. It is one of the 4 famous chicken dishes in Jiangxi Province. Its meat is tender and delicious, and it is nutritious.
来崇仁有道理，我在大美崇仁等你。